Good morning, guys. So, our topic for today is all about how to use your electronic wiring diagram. On this video, we are going to focus on your 2010 model Corolla. So, as you notice in our electrical wiring diagram, we have different menu here. So, on this uh, on this video, I'm going to focus only on the electrical wiring diagram. Okay, so if we click on the electrical wiring diagram, it will give you all the wiring circuits from engine down to your communication system. Okay, so in every electrical wiring circuit that you want to study, you can click on the wiring diagram. So we will have an example. For example, I will try to find out what are the wiring circuits on the engine. So by clicking the engine, so you will see a lot of menus here. This tells you the circuit in every circuit from charging system down to starting system. So what are those circuits attached to the engine? So for example, if I'm going to look into the starting system circuit, so I'm going to find starting system circuit. So if I click starting system circuit, the manual will provide the detailed or schematic diagram of the starting system of 2010 Corolla model. For example, I want to find the specific location of the fuse. As you notice, there are difference. Huh? One fuse get a shaded gray background and the other is don't have. So it means that our starting system uses two fuses. One on the engine compartment, a fuse without the gray color, and a fuse which is located on the instrument panel lower coil side inside your car, and this one is under the hood. Now how can I find this fuse? For example, this EM2 30 ampere fuse. To find a specific location of every component on the circuit, you will go to location. Okay, so on this menu it will give you the position of parts in both left hand and right hand drive vehicle, okay, including specific engine models. So what I will do is I will go to the relay locations. Okay, now if you want to find out where is the location of the relay and fuses on the system, so on this video also I'll be focusing on left hand drive because we are using left hand drive cars in Saudi Arabia. So for example, I will explore engine compartment. Okay, so these are the electrical components that could be found on the under the hood or your engine compartment. Now we have our ACM, the glow plug assembly, the brake actuator, the headlight cleaner, cooling fan ECU, CNG ECU if your car is equipped. Then we will try to find to explore engine room relay block. RB means relay block, GB means junction block. So in order to find out what is inside this relay block and junction block, so I will be using this menu. Okay, so I will find exact term, same term like this on this menu. So on this menu I could find that this term on this one. When I open this menu, it will give me the exact location on that relay block and junction block engine compartment. So as you notice, you must familiarize also what are these components, what are these components. So this component represents your fuses. So a while ago, we are asked to find the location of AM2 fuse. So the location of AM2 fuse, I will magnify first. Okay, so notice on your screen, EM2 fuse is located here. Okay, take note with the names. Huh? So the name is useful if sometimes the name of the fuse in the top. Okay, sometimes it is on the bottom. But in this case, the name of the fuse is located on the top of the fuse. So it means this 20 amperes, the name is of this fuse CNG. Now we are looking for the AM230 amperes. The AM230 amperes is somewhere here. See, AM2, and that is 30 amperes. Okay, so that is how to find fuse. Another example, we will go back to the wiring diagram. System circuits, same thing. We're going to find on the starting system circuit. Okay, we'll go to engine. I will go to starting. Next, I'm going to find the location of this component. What is the name of this component? Okay, so if we magnify, the name of the component is ignition or starter switch assembly, or normally your ignition switch, your key operated switch. Now, how to find the component, this component? Okay, so as you notice on this menu, all you have to do is find the code and the name on this menu. So on this menu is located here. The name of that component is located here. So when I click this one, what I have is, I will see its part code, its part number, and the connector of the wire, of the color of the connector. And also it will give us the details of the connector. Okay. So the connector has 8 pins, and it will give you also the specific location of this connector. Okay, or the specific location of the component. So since we are using left hand drive, I'm going to click left hand drive. Okay, so your E4 is located on the driver's side, usually on the under your steering wheel. If you know how to start your car, definitely you can find the location of this ignition switch assembly. Okay, then another example, we will go back to the wiring diagram. Okay, system circuit, go to the engine, go to starting again. Now, for example, I want to find the location of this component. Now, some component get number. Okay, on this case, the relay block, or this is the relay, is located on the relay block number 5. Now, how could I find the relay block number 5? So definitely I will open again. I will go to relay location again. Go to relay location. Go to this menu, relay location. This one. Now, go to the instrument panel left hand side. Okay. Now, a while ago, the relay HT relay is located on the relay block number 5 based on the wiring diagram. Now, where is the specific location of our relay? Now, if you want to explore what is inside the relay block number 5, all you have to do is find the relay RB or relay block number 5 here, this menu. So the relay block here, relay block number 5 is here. When you click this menu, he will give you the full details what is inside that relay block number 5. So your ST relay is somewhere here located. Okay, again, when I go back on the menu, the location is somewhere underneath your stereo. If you want to find the specific location of the relay, all you have to do is find relay block number 5. Okay, so this is what is inside the relay block number 5, or what are the components connected to the relay block number 5. So this is the relay here. Another example, go back to wiring diagram, system circuit, go to the engine. Again, we are using starting system. Now, if I wish to find the ground, okay, all you have to do, go back again to location, but during this time, we are going to go to the ground location or ground points. Now, if you want to take note, as you notice, there are many engine compartment choices here. or menu. Before opening this menu, you must know what engine you are dealing with. The Corolla that we are dealing with is a Corolla using 3ZZFE engine. So that is why I am going to use this menu, because my engine is located on this menu. So I will click this one. Now, on the engine compartment, these are the grounds or the ground points location. Okay, so this is your engine compartment. These are the ground points. Okay, now where is the location of my A1? Okay, so we already explored the engine compartment ground points. We will go to the instrument panel ground points. So we'll go to instrument panel. Okay, instrument panel. Okay, weapon drive compartment 3ZZF here. So take note also that you must know the engine model that you are dealing with. Okay, so again, these are another ground points on the engine compartment. Now we will go back to instrument panel. Okay, so take note, there are left hand drive instrument panel, there is also right hand drive. So in our case, we are using left hand drive, so I will be clicking left hand side. Okay, so these are the ground points inside your vehicle cabin or inside your car. Now we are dealing with the E1. So the location of E1 is on this under or lower on the lower control panel side of the instrument panel. So this is the E1. So this is how to find the ground points. So again, to find the ground points, you will go location. If you want to find ground points, go to the ground points. If you wish to find specific ground location, you must know your engine model. You cannot use anywhere here. You must know first what engine you are dealing with. So in our case, we are using 3ZZFE, so I'll be using this menu. Okay, so these are the grounds once again. And if I want to find what are the ground points on the instrument panel, I will go to instrument panel, left and right. Once again, these are the ground inside or under your dashboard or inside your car. So again, we are focusing electrical wiring diagram. So this menu will give you the specific circuit location or every circuit on the car you are dealing with. It will give you the schematic diagram, and it will give you the specific location, the wiring diagram. It will give you also what circuit you want to study or to trace its wiring diagram, and also it will give you specific location of the component. Okay, so that is, thank you, shukran, goodbye.